Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I'm going to put this battery in my 2013 C6 Z06 because, there's the car, because this one let me down. And that one is one I got, it's Ever Start Max. I got it from Walmart. And the specifications on it, 650, 800, it's supposed to be good enough, but it went dead on me a couple times. So going back, and I'm going to try the Costco battery. If that one doesn't work, then I'll try another one. Okay, so let's get it out. 10 millimeter on these hold down bolts. Nice to have a little universal on there and a deep socket, because this much sticks out. You might not get a regular standard socket on there. So let's get this out. Also 10 millimeter on the terminal nuts. Take the positive off first. Use a bungee to get it up out of the way. Use another bungee for the negative. Pull off that little breather vent. And this has got a handle on it. Here's the fun part, is to try and wiggle it out of there. There we go. I guess I got lucky. You got a little bit of a lip on this side. So you're going to have to get that lip over the little plastic surround before you pull straight up. So this is a 650 CCA versus a 600 CCA, and this is a 90 reserve. It says BCI. I think that's reserve. 650 CCA, 800 CA. I think 90 is the reserve. So this is 600 CCA. 3-year free replacement versus 5-year. 3-year free, and then it goes into proration, which sucks. This is 3.5 years, 42 months free, with no proration. Excuse me. They are both lead acid. They are both not AGMs. I know everybody thinks AGMs are better, and I guess they probably are, but they're more expensive. So I'm going to try this one. If this doesn't work, I think I know what I'm going to go with, but I'll save it for another video. So let's get this in. I've got a little strap that helps you get it in. See, that helps you lower it in there. Insulated, of course. I'm going to clean up these terminals a little bit. They look a little bit corroded. And I'll tell you a funny thing. This has a date of 1/19. And let me flip it around. That's supposed to be the real manufacture date. That's an 8, which is the last digit of the year. So that's a 2018. C is the month. ABC, January, February, March. So March of 2018 supposedly is when this was actually made. And they got a date on it of 1/19, so, what's up with that? Let's look at this one that I bought very close to that date, 9/18. Let's see what this got on it. On the other side, hold on. So this is also 2018, and H would be August, the 8th letter of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Yeah, they skipped the I. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August of 18. And then I put September of 18. So that's pretty close. This one, not so close. Kind of weird, huh? It says took that scrubby and I cleaned these off so they make a good contact. I'll use that on the inside of the cables in the car. Tape up the hold down so that they won't flop into the way when you drop the battery down. Just use any kind of tape. I like the blue painter's tape. I should be able to fish it out of there after I'm done. I'm going to put some battery terminal protector on that, just on those posts. Okay, so that dropped in pretty good. Negative on first. I take a screwdriver and a hammer and I tap down on all corners of this so that I make sure I get it down good and tight. Okay, done. Make sure the hold down nuts are tight. I put a couple of little nylon washers under that one because it wouldn't really tighten up all the way. I think it ran out of thread. Anyway, okay, we'll give this a try, and Froggy will post on the comments of this video how it goes, if it's good, or if I have to replace this one also. Give me a thumbs up or a like. This helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And if you want notifications of my next newest videos, click on that little bell that's next to subscribe. See ya. Have fun. Be safe. Froggy out. Bye.